Well, winter is on the way, and that means Minnesotans will be cranking up the heat. WCCO's Ren Clayton tells us what you should know if you're in the market for a furnace.
Like many industries,
we've had a real issue with getting furnaces and parts and everything in a timely fashion.
Product is backed up. The pandemic is to blame.
This supply chain issue is something that none of us have ever experienced. This is just hopefully a once in a lifetime issue that we can all get through, take care of everybody, and hopefully it never happens again.
With cooler temperatures on the way, now is the time to make sure your furnace is good to go.
What we always recommend is clients always do their annual furnace tune-ups. So if you haven't done your tune-up, call Homeworks, call another company, get somebody out there, take a look, get the state of affairs of your heating system to make sure it's safe, performing right, and is efficiently operating.
Waiting months to get the furnace you need is a possibility. Homeworks in Eagan has done their best to stock up on inventory to fight the supply chain problem, but prices keep going up.
Every month that goes by, the prices are increasing. This year alone, we've seen 5 price increases on furnace and air conditioners, and so we recommend clients to, the sooner they buy, the more likely they're going to pay a lower price. The longer they wait, the higher the costs are going to become.
So to keep your wallet full and your home warm, acting sooner is better.
The worst thing you could do is be negative 20 degrees in Minnesota, which is right around the corner, and be stuck without heat and having to pick an inferior product or not the right solution for them.
In Eagan, Ren Clayton, WCCO 4 News.
Some heating and cooling companies have had to actually expand the amount of brands that they sell because of all these supply chain problems.